Hey, good morning. I'm going to tell you right now that this one's probably going to be a little depressing. So if you're already going through it enough on this Monday morning and you want to scroll on, go ahead. I've seen more than a couple of creators on here express the same thing that I'm feeling, and I know that a lot of other people, especially on the left, are feeling, and it's like this inescapable funk that we're all living in right now. And that, we all know that we've been through tough times in the past. Why is this seem to be so much different? And I think this is my theory on it is even though we've all been through tough times in the past, even though things have been pretty bleak in the past, we've always kind of had like this hope in the background for a time in the future where things will pass and things will slowly improve. I think that keeps people's psyche leveled off. Like, you know that you can deal with this because someday things are going to get better. I think what we're dealing with right now is that we've had that hope replaced with dread. Because we know we're going through something really tough. Everything seems to be going downhill right now. And we're seeing things every single day that get worse and worse and worse. And we don't have a hope for the future. All we can see is that if things are this bad and have progressed this bad now, they're only going to be twice as bad next month and twice as bad the month after that. So our hope has been replaced by dread. And you look back to videos from last year or a couple of years ago to... I saw someone share a video from 2020 or 2021 with probably 2020 with empty shelves during right, the beginning of... And you look back at that now and you think, fuck, as tough as things were then, they're fucking the good old days. You know what I mean? Like, seriously, you think about the things that you went through during, but like, at least we had competent people in the White House. At least we had not the greatest people, but at least competent adults running the show. At least there were investigations going on. They didn't materialize into anything. But at least we still had the law on our side back then, right? At least we knew that the law at least said that the things that were happening in the past were wrong and that those people should be prosecuted. Now it feels like we don't even have the law on our side. Like, sure, if you and I did any of the things that people like Trump and his administration were doing, we'd all go to jail, but those laws don't apply to them, right? So we don't even have that. We don't even have the law and the Constitution anymore to give us any hope for the future. Like, and then on top of that, in the background is this knowledge that if we want to improve things, we're going to have to do it ourselves. And that's going to involve a lot of really ugly shit. Things that we never even imagined ourselves and our neighbors doing. But it's like this thing that you know is coming. And you don't really know what it's going to look like yet. Yeah.